Hi, my name is Tyler Hawsey, and I am the upcoming student body president. I'm originally from Spokane, Washington, but here at Concordia, I'm studying business marketing and finance. My one favorite thing about Concordia is just the community feel. Whether you're an athlete, whether you're a business major, or whether you're in Christ College, you're all part of the Concordia family. I want to pray for your health and your safety during these times, but first of all, I want to congratulate you on your acceptance to CUI, and I look forward to seeing you on campus in the fall, and I'm excited to see you premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Schulteis, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at Concordia University's CU premiere.
Hi, I'm Taylor. I can't wait to see you premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Hi, my name is Koi Vu. I'm from Orange, California, and I can't wait to see you premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Hi, I'm Amma and can't wait to see you at CU premiere.
Hello, I'm Professor Julie Melberg, and I'm excited for you to join us at CU premiere.
Hi, I'm Jacob Manning, and I can't wait for CU premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Hi, I'm Megan, and I can't wait to see you premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Hi, I'm Jill, and I'll see you premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Hi, I'm Haley, and I can't wait to see you premiere at Concordia University Irvine.
Oh, hi, I'm Dr. Norton. I'm excited for you to join us at CU